In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new service to your Fresha dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, you'll find this walkthrough helpful and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you've logged into your Fresha dashboard. The Fresha dashboard is your central hub for managing your services, appointments, and more. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a series of icons and labels. We're looking for the icon that resembles a book, which is conveniently labeled as Catalog. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Catalog section, double-check that you're in the Service menu. You want to ensure you're on the right path, as this is where all the magic happens when it comes to adding or managing services. Now that you're in the Service menu, it's time to add your new service. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see an Add button. This button is your gateway to expanding your service offerings, so go ahead and click it. After clicking the Add button, you'll be given a couple of options. Choose Single Service. This option is perfect if you want to introduce a single, standalone service to your catalog. It helps keep your offerings clear and specific, which is great for both organization and client understanding. Next, you'll need to input the service name. Choose something catchy yet descriptive. Something that clearly communicates what you're offering to your clients. A well-named service can draw interest and make your catalog look professional. As you continue, you'll come to the service type and category. This helps in classifying your service appropriately, making it easier for clients to navigate what you offer. Take a moment to choose the category that best fits your new service to ensure it aligns with the others in your catalog. Adding a description is optional, but if you have a unique selling proposition or specifics about the service that could entice potential clients, this is where you'd want to include those details. A well-crafted description can make all the difference in a client's decision-making process. Now let's talk about pricing and duration. This is where you'll need to carefully consider how much the service costs and how long it will take. Be strategic with your pricing and ensure it reflects the value and time investment of the service. The duration should be accurate, as it impacts appointment scheduling and your daily operations. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary details, review your inputs to ensure everything is correct. Then, direct your attention to the top of your screen and click Save. And that, as they say, is that. You've successfully added a new service to your Fresha dashboard with just a few simple steps. By following these steps, you'll keep your offerings fresh and appealing, ultimately supporting your business's growth and success. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up.